Hello everyone! So, if you want to customize quick app launches on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all, open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your shortcuts and accessibility tab. Now find your quick action tab. In here, first of all, make sure that it is enabled. The switch should be glowing with the blue color. It means this option is on. If it's off, it will look like this, so simply tap on it to enable it, of course. And now we are to choose a feature which is gonna activate. So for example, let's choose turn on and off our torch, right? Oh no, let's choose open camera. It sounds nice to me. Now let's try it out. So let's turn off our screen, and now in order to turn on our camera, simply hold the volume down button, and as you see, our camera just successfully turned on. To close this menu, simply press the power button and it will be immediately closed. Easy as that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.